Kia ora, everyone.
Welcome.
Yes, welcome back.
We're not in Ladybird.
No, we're on the beautiful Royal Princess. Yay!
Yeah, and we're doing a cruise. It's beginning in Auckland, going round our own country of New Zealand, across to Sydney and back again. We love cruising, as you probably well know, and we love Princess, so we're in for a time of our life.
Yes.
So the hotel we stayed in is just behind us, and
There's the
up there is the Royal that we're going to hop on this afternoon. Princess don't have a check-in time now. There's a window of about 4 or 5 hours when you can just turn up, but you can drop your bags off a lot earlier, and that's what we did as we headed to town to get some breakfast. We checked out a few shops down in downtown Auckland, then we had another cup of tea close by the ship before we embarked.
And we're on. Yippee!
Kia ora. Welcome to our cabin. If you want to see more of our cabin, have a look at our earlier video on the cabin tour. We got a quick bite to eat and then went to our favourite place, the Sanctuary Pool, where we had the most refreshing swim. The complimentary ice cream at Swirls is a must. Because it's been 6 months since we've been on the Royal.
Yes.
But it's like, I don't know, if you've ever go to, when you're at work and you go on holiday, and the day you get back to work, you think, well, it's like we've never left here. That's what the Royal was like.
Yeah, it's like coming back to an old friend.
Yeah, we hopped on and, oh, hello, yeah, everything's still the same. We knew exactly where we were going. Although I must admit, this is the highest up we've ever been.
Yes, deck 15.
We're on deck 15, and we did get a wee bit confused because we kept going. We normally like forward, don't we?
We do.
And as if you watched our last video when we went to Japan, we were right under the bridge, and that's where we thought we were going. But this time we're midships, and
it's different.
it's a bit different. We kept getting in the wrong lifts.
Yeah.
Because we're walking down, but we're not walking up, because when we're down on like deck 5 to 15, it's a bit hard on the knees.
Yeah.
Yeah, but going down's okay. And then we got ready.
For dinner, we had a reservation at the Allegro, wasn't it?
Yeah, early reservation.
Yeah.
We don't do set dining times like a lot of people do, because we just sort of like to be flexible, because I mean, we never know where we're going to be or what we're going to do.
No.
So but we went in there and we had some
Yes, it was lovely.
some lovely food. Yeah.
Yes, what are you going to have, Ray?
I'm thinking I'm going to have the crispy Thai vegetable spring rolls as a starter.
Yes, they look nice, don't they?
I'm going for the chicken cordon bleu. Yeah, so this is it, spring rolls.
Yes, we
Beautiful.
have a taste, Ray.
Going with a bit of vermicelli there.
Oh, and I love vermicelli too.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh,
boy.
it's lovely and crunchy.
That bread we had earlier.
God, the bread was delicious.
We always like the bread on.
I could just eat the bread for dinner.
Just come here and eat bread. Well, there is a bakery up there, isn't there? So we could just go there.
I know.
So yeah, let's try it.
Is it delicious?
Very, very nice.
Very nice.
So I settled for the cordon bleu. And Joe went for the Australian.
Beer battered fish and chips. And it's got mushy peas under there. I'm not sure about those. This is delicious, this fish.
Nice and fresh, isn't it?
Oh, it's fresh, so fresh. And that tartar sauce is delicious. How is it, Ray?
Beautiful. Just melts in your mouth, I tell you.
So
Very
good.
nice. Just
Are you
the
having
same.
dessert?
Mention in the comments if I should have dessert.
See, this is the Princess Love Boat Dream.
And the sugar-free model over here
Yes.
of the tart, and it looks exquisite.
Just saying, Ray's is bigger than mine.
I know what to order. Oh, okay, yeah. I don't know where he got that.
And then after that, we went to 64.
Yeah, which is 4 Australian guys, and they sing songs. Well, this time it was from the 70s. But they normally sing songs from the 60s, in which they are later on in the voyage. We've seen them before.
Yes, we have. They're Australian.
Yeah, really, really good
Really good. Yeah.
entertainers. They sort of they're musical theatre students, and they sing. Well, have a look here. I hope that was a drill.
May I have your attention, please? My name is Captain Steve Holland, and firstly, let me welcome you aboard the Royal Princess. On behalf of myself, the entire ship's company, and Princess Cruises, a very warm welcome aboard for those who joined today.
Good morning.
Yes, today, well this morning we're in Tauranga, or Mount Maunganui, and we're getting off. It's we had a lovely sleep.
We did, we slept like babies.
And so we almost missed breakfast.
But we managed to get it in, didn't we?
We did. So we're heading off now, and we'll check the place out.
Yeah.
But before we stepped ashore, Jo just had to get a photo with her favourite bear, Stanley. The last time we were in Mount Maunganui, we walked around the Maung. This time we decided we would climb it, and it was worth every step. The tracks leading up to the summit are about 3.8 kilometres long and rise about 240 metres.
See if there's a sign over there. Smile. You're right.
After taking in the 360-degree view of the whole province of the Bay of Plenty, it was time to head back down, but we weren't in a hurry, like some were. Well, we're on the way back down now. Absolutely brilliant walk. Really steep in places, and it's a hot day.
Yes,
But we did it.
we did it.
Who's the ship, Joe?
Eh?
Who's the ship? Shot through there, wouldn't it? This camera.
It's lovely.
Let's take a ride. I've got the perfect place in mind. We've got an hour or so to hide. Montenegro, love of mine. Just want my bed.
We went into the town centre before heading back to the ship. We're going to head off for a swim now. Looking forward to it because it's pretty hot. I'm lost. Well, did you enjoy that swim, Joe?
Yes, I loved it. Beautiful.
I'm not sure whether I'd like to be in those cabins down there. Everybody can walk past and look into you. We're in the buffet for a quick bite to eat before we head away and do some things, but we're also going to the showtime tonight, isn't it? It's sweet soul music. Love it. Motown. Just as we were filming that, two people, Scott and Fiona from Western New South Wales, came up and talked to us. They'd been following our channel and it was so cool to meet them. What lovely people. As we bid Tauranga farewell, it was time to head to the Princess Theatre for sweet soul music. With the vibes of sweet soul music, we went back to the cabin and watched the stars come out. Happy in the knowledge that we still had plenty more entertainment like that coming ahead of us on the Royal Princess. On our next episode, we have a sea day before heading to our capital city of Wellington.
So we'll see you there. Bye.
Bye!